Hello and welcome. We are at the moment in Lotz and we follow a police car. And we're already quite long into the journey. Already did 400 kilometers or 500. We're on the road since 5 hours, I think, or 6, must be 6. Mixing up the time zones, so I'm not quite sure. Anyway, until now it was boring roads like this. We had some smaller ones in the start and some rain, but that's about it. And I guess the rest of the 270 kilometers that we have to go will be the same. But tomorrow the good day will start. Just twisties after that, or at least country roads. I wish the police would do something about truck overtaking truck. Anyway, that's it for now. Enjoy the map and you will see where we land, because we haven't booked the hotel room yet. But we try to get to Prudnik. Looks like we get some good roads on the last kilometers. Should be around 120 kilometers left now. And finally we are off the highway.